Hello, my name is Francisco Gonzalez, and this is my final project for CS122A. It's a home control system. It's run by these two microcontrollers there. The one on the right is the master, and it takes all the input from the user. The one on the left is the slave, and it controls all the instruments. They communicate through the UCR. The first thing we see here is the LCD, which is your main screen. So it is password protected, so you're going to have to unlock it and input a password. So the default password is 1234. So then we hit enter to enter it. And we go back to the main menu. Now that we have unlocked it, we have two additional buttons we can press, manual and automatic. The default is manual, and that means that we can control the instruments by these two buttons down here. The one on the left controls this fan or electric motor. So if you press the button once, we'll see it go at a low speed. Press it again, it goes at a medium speed. And the final press is its highest speed. And we press it again to stop it. This other button down here represents the heat, which itself is represented by this multimeter here. It uses digital to analog technology to output different voltages depending on what kind of heat you want. So let's say right now it's at 0. So if you press the button, we'll see it go up to 1 volt, which is a low setting. We press the button again, we get the medium setting at around 2.3 volts. Another press gives us the maximum setting, which is around 4.8 to 5 volts. We press it again to turn it off. And that's manual control. If you want automatic control, we hit this button down here, and now we have manual control. So manual control means that we control the thermostat here. We control it with this joystick here. So the green arrow represents the temperature of the room, which is where the thermostat is right now. If we want it colder, then we bring the room down and we see the fan start to go at low speed first. The colder we want it, the higher the fan goes, up to its maximum setting there. If we go the other way, we're going to start to see the heat turn on again, up to a maximum of around 5 volts there. Then we go back. We can also change the password. So if we go back to manual, we can lock it back up, and then we can unlock it. Then the password is 1234, which I entered wrong, so I'll try again. 1234. So I enter. So now I want to change the password here. So we'll say our new password is 5555. We click done, and success. We've changed the password. We go back to the main menu, and this actually uses E2 PROM technology. So even if the power were to go out, let's say, and we go back, plug it back in, our new password, our old password 1234 no longer works. It tells us it's wrong. We try again, we try our new password that we implemented before the disconnect, and we get the correct password. It does the same thing with this thermostat. So these two are the vital settings of the user input, and that way you don't have to keep calibrating the thermostat over and over again. Finally, we have a tilt sensor here. So here's the tilt sensor, and here's the output. So as we tilt it, we see the output change to wherever we want it. And that's the end of my project.